communicating, but I'm interested in all this stuff.
Very good, Gerald. And when animals talk to each other in all the ways that animals do, we call it animal communication.
Oh, hey Susie, can we see some animals